Fast charge. When used with an 18W or higher USB-C wall charger with power delivery, you can charge your iPhone to 50% battery in just 30 minutes. Supported models include iPhone 8, 8 Plus, X, XS, XR, XS Max, 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, 12 Mini, 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, iPads, and more. Certified chip. Apple MFI certified charging and syncing cable for your Apple devices with improved chipset to ensure full compatibility. High-speed data transfer, up to 480 megabits per second for transferring music, movies, and more in seconds. Durable friendly design. Built with top-rated materials and features textured grooves on connector ends for improved grip. In the box, 1 Amazon Basics Lightning cable and lifetime warranty. Top reviews from the United States. As good as expected. Bought the cable for my iPhone. Cables nowadays don't last long. I've bought several cables from different brands. It's a no-brainer once I found Amazon brand also offers this stuff. With the brand and price, there's no reason to look for any other brand and product. Can't comment its durability though, but it seems about the same as other products in the market. Works great so far. Would recommend.